Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 1 to 15, 2025. First half ng December. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. Sa maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, ito lang po yung account ko ha. Yung username at Mr. Queen PH. Ayan, meron kasing mga nagnanakaw ng mga videos ko, nire-upload at nagpe-pretend na ako yon. Hindi po ako yon ha. Para makaiwas kayo sa scam, dun lang kayo sa legit, sa original. Oo. Yan. So, let's see. Leo. Ano ang energy? May nag-shift ba na energy for you ngayong first half ng December? What's the energy for Leo? Okay, overall energy, the Three of Swords. Nako, merong heartbreak. Someone is going through some sort of pain, challenge. Your challenge, the star. Okay. May frustration dito, Leo. Are you frustrated ngayon sa situation nyo, sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, or even sa life in general? Your opportunity, the hangman. I think meron kasi ritong redirection. Okay? So you are being redirected to a new path. Kailangan lang dito mas committed ka talaga. Commitment ang ititest sa'yo dito. Now, your blessing is the Chariot. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda pa rin naman. This is willpower. This is movement and success. Okay, bottom of the deck is, Queen of Cups. So this is about a nurturing energy. Maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong water sign placements, no? This is also focused on self-care, self-love. Okay? So since some of you, maaring may mga challenging situation, pwedeng may separation, disappointment sa buhay, may nakaaway kayo, or you just feel like parang wala kang gana ngayon, no? But when you focus on yourself and take care of yourself, doon ka makakaramdam na parang mai-ignite yung iyong, parang babalik uli yung sigla mo. Kasi 'di ba, paano ka mag-share ng love, ng happiness sa iba kung ikaw mismo wala ka na nun kasi nasagad ka na or na-drain ka na, 'di ba? So you have to fill up or fill up the cup. Kumbaga, kailangan punuin mo muna yung cup mo para makapag-share ka sa iba, 'di ba? Kasi kung wala tong laman, paano ka mag-share? Drain ka, 'di ba? Oh, Ace of Swords, this is a new inspiration, breakthrough, may mga bago ka ngayong ideas, pwedeng mas magiging creative ka ngayong first half ng December. Yun yung in-nurture mo, aalagaan mo, yung knowledge, information na makukuha mo. Okay, you have the Six of Cups and then the Emperor, Aries energy. Maaring meron kang, parang babalik yung interest mo eh. Babalik yung interest mo, sigla mo sa dati mong ginagawa. Pwede kasing yun nga, na-burnout ka lang, kailangan mo lang mag-reset, mag-rejuvenate, magpahinga. So, minsan yun lang naman talagang kailangan natin, hindi naman natin kailangan mag-quit. 'Di ba? You will realize na, ito pala talaga yung gusto kong gawin. But some of you naman, pwedeng meron new endeavors, like a new, something new happening in your life. Kasi pwedeng, better version of the ones that you have right now. Diba? Halimbawa, may trabaho ka ngayon, tapos may new beginning. It doesn't mean na aalis ka sa trabaho na yan. Pwedeng new beginning kasi na-promote ka, pero same trabaho pa rin, same company pa rin, diba? Pero may new beginning kasi may na-upgrade sa career mo. Something like that. So, this can be in any aspects of your life. I also see, parang may reconciliation dito eh. Pwedeng meron kayong tatanggapin na person sa buhay nyo kasi you feel like yung taong to ay nagbago na. So, use your own discernment, no? Siyempre, kayo pa rin naman yan. Kayo pa rin magde-decide, meron kayong free will. So, let's see. Tingnan natin yung itong energy mo na Three of Swords. Can be, pwede rin kasi itong disappointment sa isang tao. May nakaaway ka. This can be a disappointment sa kaibigan mo, someone sa community, pwedeng may mga nare-receive kang mga negative comments from other people, wag mo na lang pansinin yon kasi maapektuhan ka lang. Another thing, pwede ring meron kang plano, tapos hindi natuloy, or hindi mo masimulan, or hindi nangyari. Lagi mong isipin kapag ang isang bagay hindi nangyayari, hindi natutuloy, it's a redirection. Okay? Merong mas better para sa'yo. Now, your challenge is the star. Ito nga yung hope. Yung iyong hopes and dreams. China-challenge ka ngayon kung gaano ka kaseryoso sa pangarap mo. Kung gaano ka ka-determinado, ka-committed sa pangarap mo. Okay? So, you have to know that na kung parang nagsiset ka ng goals mo just because gusto mo lang na meron kang goal, pero wala kang tinitake na action, hindi ka naman passionate doon, wala rin yun eh. Hindi rin yun ma-accomplish. So, you have to recheck. I-check mo yung sarili mo. Reflect ka. What do you really want in life? What do you want to achieve? Now, your opportunity here is to finally, take a step back, mag-isip muna. Hindi yung parang, may times kasi na parang naisip mo, kailangan meron kang ibinibigay, kailangan meron kang ipinapakita. Pero minsan kailangan mo lang munang magpahinga. 'Di ba? Oh, your blessing, the willpower. Your willpower is your blessing. Yung actions na gagawin mo, that will bring blessing. Sabi nga the universe rewards motion. Nire-reward ng universe, ni God, yung mga taong may ginagawang action towards their goals, towards their dreams. So definitely, you will experience success ngayong first half ng December. As long as you will take action. Tignan natin money, career, finances for you. Okay, 6 of Cups. I think yung iba sa inyo babalik sa dati yung trabaho or dati yung pinagkakitaan, dati yung sideline, dating company, or dati yung interest. And then you have Temperance. I think ito yung matagal mo nang gustong gawin. Kaya lang minsan may pride no? Na nasabihin, ba't bumalik ka sa pagiging ganyan? Di ba ayaw mo na niyan? Yung mga ganun, minsan may nagko-comment. Kung yun naman talaga yung gusto mo, yun yung gusto mo i-pursue sa buhay, yun yung passion mo, why not? Okay? So, I see you going back sa isang career, trabaho, or business, or source of income na pinagkakitaan mo dati, na babalikan mo. Maaring na-realize mo na, mas masaya pala ako doon. And it's okay. That really happens. Or maaring nawalan ka lang ng gana for a few months. And then ngayong December, bumabalik yung gana mo. No? Bumabalik yung inspiration mo dun sa dati mong ginagawa. Okay, sa love life naman, Emperor. So, meron ditong energy ng Aries. And then Aquarius. I feel like, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng merong new beginnings, like you are breaking free from a toxic situation or a relationship na masyadong narcissistic, or yung parang kinokontrol ka ng person. You will step into your own power. Yes. Stepping into your own power is very important at this point. Kumbaga, alam mo na ngayon yung worth mo. Yung iba sa inyo, this is a fresh start. Bagong simula. Let's see what else. Leo. Diba? May nililet go ka na. You're letting go of anything that is no longer serving you. What did I tell you? Oh my God, self-love, self-care. Unahin muna ang sarili bago ang iba. Kasi nga, kailangan i-fill in mo muna ang sarili mong cup. Ang iyong sariling happiness. Not what it seems. Be careful rin sa mga pinoproject ng ibang tao sa'yo. Kasi maaring sila yung may problema, hindi ikaw. Pinoproject lang nila yung problema nila sa'yo. Okay, person of earth, this can be a person that is connected sa'yo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Merong unresolved issues, no? Excess baggage with someone. Pwedeng ito yung ile-let go mo na, no? With this person. Can be a person or a situation kasi Earth is also connected sa career, trabaho, maaring may ili-let go ka na mindset o kaya anything, career path, business na hindi na nagsiserve your highest good. Benefit from the harvest of knowledge and sustenance that cooperation brings. So I see you collaborating, working with other people, yung mga taong marami kang matututunan, can be mentorship, no? Merong mag-share ng knowledge sa'yo na magiging very helpful sa self-discovery mo at sa improvement mo ng iyong career and even your mga achievements or mga goals mo sa buhay. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.